You have no purpose.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna do something fun. I am going to be turning this into some Harley Quinn inspired hair. And if you don't know who Harley Quinn is, go ahead and Google her real
You
quick.
won't be. You don't think you're strong enough? You are. You're afraid. Don't be. You have all the weapons you need. Now fight, 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 fight.
So all the products that you're going to see me use today are going to be professional products, meaning they can only be purchased by stylists, which is why I had the disclaimer at the beginning of this video: don't try this at home, go to a professional to get this done. And right now I'm just putting lightener on her hair to get her to a color where this color that we want to do will show up. Now that we got that process done, I'm just going to rinse her. And yes, her hair is going to revert back. It's going to be fine. She's going to come to me and get some treatments, and we're going to reconstruct her hair and rebuild. But as of now, she's doing okay. And the next step after this is we're going to get rid of some of this yellow, so we'll have a nice clean palette to start off with the color that we're going for. Now I'm just canceling out some of this yellow in her hair before I put the red and the blue on. So this is what we got after the application. My camera died, so I couldn't really record this part, but I used Joico Color Butter on her hair. And just to throw this out there, guys, to bring some reality to the color process, to do this in a safe and healthy way from start to finish, color and styling, this took about 8 hours. Because I ran out of flexi rods, I had to put curl formers at the top. So the link to get the flexi rods and the curl formers are going to be in the comment section, as well as a curl former video that I have. What we have so far, right now I'm just using a shea butter based product to separate her hair and to prevent frizz from happening. And yeah,
You have no purpose. And we don't.
so I'm just gonna keep separating until we get to the look that we are going for.
You see your fight for survival?
So we went from this to this, and I thought it was absolutely adorable on her. I thought it was
You don't
fun.
think you're strong enough?
Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any video requests, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you follow me on Instagram.